Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan the QR code inside Alight Motion in 2025. And yes, this method actually works and it's super simple to follow. Let's get started. First, make sure you've got the latest version of Alight Motion installed from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and log into your account. Now, head over to your main project screen and instead of creating a new project, tap on the three dots menu icon in the top right corner of the app. From the drop-down, select Import Objects or Scan QR Code. If you don't see that option, don't worry. Go back tab and place the icon. Then choose Import, and it should bring up the QR code. Once your camera opens, just point it at the QR code you got from the temple source. It could be from Telegram groups, Pinterest, or a friend who shared the QR for a motion present or transitions. The app will automatically scan it, and if the code is valid, it will start importing the project settings or present directly into your timeline. And that's it. Now, you've got the access to the custom transition or present, fully loaded and ready to tweak for your own projects. Alright guys, if this helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up, drop any questions or other tutorials requests down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this every week. See you in the next one.